Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick unbox on this valve core remover and installer. The brand sent this to me to review, so thought I'd do a quick unbox and show you the quality that you're getting. Here are a bunch of extra cores that it comes with. Get you up close there. This is for 1/4 inch and 5/16. With the flare tool, let's get this package open for you here. Obviously heavy brass construction. Show you everything here. There you go. High quality brass construction, solid brass, anti-slip knurling design on all the knobs. You can see we have the 1/4 inch port here, valve core buckle. If you need to, it's got the adapter here, disconnect valve, tail operation rotary button, and the extremity port, which unscrews when removed. So this can also be easily inserted into the internal spool for removal or installation without having to shut down or release the refrigerant, which is obviously an awesome feature. The built-in shutoff valve is easy and quick to operate and will not cause refrigerant leakage or waste. So high quality T6 tool and really reliable solution. So hope that helps. Thanks.